Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Brian Schrader. Welcome back to my tool bench. Today I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with two of the higher-end hard hats out on the market. The one I've been running for the last 5 years is the MSA Skullgard. It's been a really nice hard hat to me. The only thing is it after 5 years it started to crack on the inside where I took a couple shots to the hard hat and I've dropped it a lot, so don't think that durability is an issue. So I decided to make a try a different hard hat out. What I ordered was the Lift Dax hard hat in lime green. So right off the bat, we'll just take it out and I'll do a little side-by-side comparison with them. Comes in a nice little display box. So just like anything new, shiny. It looks good when it's shiny. Fortunately, with a hard hat, that isn't always a good thing. Just a little price comparison on these. The Skullgard on Amazon usually runs about $100, $110. The Lift is right around $160. So the cost difference, we'll get into a little bit, and I'll kind of hopefully help explain the cost difference to you. There's pluses and minuses to both hard hats as far as safety specs go and what you're looking for. For starters, the MSA Skullgard comes with the fast track suspension system. It's a 4-point system for the suspension, the head suspension. My last fast track head suspension broke, so I actually bought a Lift suspension system for it because it was available during the time that I needed it. I couldn't find any MSA fast track suspension systems for it, so I went with Lift. I don't suggest doing that because, like I said, it is a 4-point system for the MSA. Lift has a 6-point system, so the points I'm referring to, pull this out, are the hard hat points on the inside right here. So MSA's just got 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Lift has 6, so they got 2 in the front, 2 on the side, 2 in the back. So as far as weight goes, they're both right at 16 ounces. There's really no difference in weight. The material difference for both of these is this is a full carbon fiber. See, all the way around, all carbon fiber. And this is made out of a phenolic compound. It's made with shipbuilding. They use it a lot for that application, and obviously hard hats. It's a very durable resin style, like reinforced material. So another benefit to the Skullgard is, so both of these hard hats are ANSI Z89.1 type 1 hard hats, which means that they've been tested for top impact, which is a general test for all hard hats. Where the difference is the Skullgard is a class G, which is a general test up to 2200 volts. So I guess this is electrical rated, which is a nice feature. So where the Dax hard hat comes kind of a shortfall, in my opinion, on it, is this is a class C and it has no protection against electrical. So hopefully I don't have to, stick my heart. I'm not going to get shocked. I'm not an electrician, so hopefully I don't stick my head on some wires. So anyway, back to the the suspension systems on the lift. The lift has the 6-point suspension system on the inside. It also comes with a leather sweatband that is removable and washable, which is nice because these are super comfortable, but once you start sweating in the summertime, they start to stink. So you can take them off and wash them. So with the where the Skullgard kind of falls short on the suspension, other than the extra impact protection from the suspension system, is the sweatband and the adjustability on the back of the hard hat. So the sweatband that they come with comes with a it's like a gray leather style one that's not absorbent at all. It's really not that big of a deal. I mean, you can get used to it, but if you like a little more comfort on your forehead, you can switch it out to either like an aftermarket one like this blue one here, and this is just a washable sweatband that I got off of Amazon. They're really cheap. It's like 12 bucks for 12. But so that's what I use in this one. So another nice feature to the DAX Hard Hat is it also has little shock absorbers on the side for side impacts in case your hard hat falls. These full brims kind of have a tendency to hit on the brim itself. But yeah, so overall, I'll try this on. Yeah, it's fitting really good. Stays on your head nice. Sits pretty right on point, or it's supposed to be. You sometimes see guys that have, you know, their hard hats suspension's too tight on the inside and their hard hat's really tall. Makes them look kind of goofy, but other than that, I'm very impressed. Overall seem to be worth the extra money so far. Hopefully I get the same amount of time that I got out of this one and this one, or longer. I'm gonna try and take better care of my hard hats, but sometimes things happen. You get hard hats knocked off your head. But yeah, I'm going to sticker this up and put some more of my job site stickers on there and get it back out, get it out working. So anyway, have a good night.